Alright, good day to you. Today we're going to work on the laboratory exercise number 3. So the title of the activity is Configuration of IP address and subnet mask on the host. Alright, so the first procedure is open the Cisco packet tracer, connect 4 PC, 1 hub, and 1 switch. Click once on PC 0, just shown in the figure below. Okay, so we're going to get 4 PCs here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's just make some adjustment. Alright, and on the bottom we're going to put 1 hub and 1 switch. So the switch provided on the picture is a 2050-24. Okay, so that should go here, and the other one is a hub which goes to the left. Alright, so we're going to connect PC0 and PC1 to hub and PC2 to PC3 on the switch. So let's get the media here. Okay, here we go. For this one we're going to use the copper straight through cable. Okay, and the last one is for the switch. Alright, one more. There we go. Okay, so number 2 is choose the config tab. You can change the name of the PC0. It is also here where you would enter a gateway IP address, also known as default gateway. After that, enter the IP address 192.168.1.1. It depends to you. Make sure it is a 32-bit address. Okay, so let's start with PC0. It says on documentation to click on config. The IP address of the gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay. Number 3 is click on the fast Ethernet, add the IP address to 192.168.1.1. By entering the IP address, the default subnet mask will be automatically displayed, just shown below. Alright, fast Ethernet. Let me just move it here so you can see it. And 192.168.1.10. Okay. So number 4, repeat these steps for the other end devices. Set the IP address of the 4 PCs to, so the 4 PCs have increments of .1.10 up to .1.40. Okay, so we're done with the first PC. We're gonna do the rest. Config Default gateway is again 192.168.1.1. Fast Ethernet. We set the IP address to 192.168.1.20. That's it. Here we go to the third one. Oops. Config. Default gateway. Fast Ethernet. So this is 192.168.1.30, and the last one, config. Oops. 192.168.1.1, fast Ethernet. Alright, there. 192.168.1.40. Okay. Now connect PC0 and PC1 to hub 0, PC2 and PC3 to switch 1, and connect the hub 0 to switch 0. Connection is okay if green light appears for every connection. Alright, so everything is given, everything is already done except for connecting the hub to the switch. So for this one, we're going to use the copper crossover. So we connect it over from hub to the switch. Okay. So it will take probably a minute or two before the amber light turns to green for the switch. Alright, number 6, simulate the networks by switching the real mode to simulation mode. Okay, so the simulation mode, it should be all the way on the corner on the side of real time. So we click that. Okay, number 7, after switching to simulation mode, click the envelope and drag it to either one of the PC, and click another envelope and drag it over to another PC, and click the auto capture play button. Observe the flow of messages and determine its status, if it's successful or failed. Okay, so the envelope is all the way from the top. Okay, let me just grab that. So here, click this, drag it over to the first PC, go there again, and we drag it here on the other PC. So it actually doesn't matter which PC we will use. Okay. Now we're gonna click on the autoplay. Okay, there you go. All right. So if you will notice, the PC is trying to send the data from the source going to the switch and going to the other PC. Alright, so that should be it for the 7 questions. Now I'm gonna answer the 4 questions provided. Alright, so the 4 the four questions to be answered are: first, what is the importance of the gateway? Gateway serves as the converter of the protocols that comes from one end device to another. The second question is, what is the transmission medium used to connect the hub and the switch? So we have used, let me just double check, it is a copper crossover that should be on the fourth icon when you click on the medium. Number 3, what is the indication if the connection of your PC are successful? So the green light indicates that the connection of the PCs are successful. Now, what can you conclude from this activity? Well, basically, this activity shows us the connection between the end device and the other end devices. So basically, it shows us how the data is being moved from the source to its destination. So yeah, that will be it. Have a great day.